Second English, nature. Do you like to spend your time outdoors? Outdoors means outside. When we are not in a house or school or any building, we are outdoors. Do you like to spend time with nature? Nature gives us green trees. Trees have lovely flowers. Flowers are so colorful. Trees give us sweet fruits. Trees also give us shade. Then we don't need to sit in the sun. The yellow sun gives us light. It also keeps us warm. In the day, the blue sky is filled with white clouds. At night, the sky turns black. We can see lots of stars shining in the sky. The moon shines the brightest. Nature gives us lots of good things. We get fresh air from nature. The cool wind feels lovely. It blows on our face and makes us smile. We also get clean water from nature. We need water to live. So nature helps us to live.